Or Zarya was whistling.
Oh, yeah, I was doing turbo noises. My bad.
Oh, no. It's not.
5, 4, 3,
It was beautiful.
1. Attack.
Alright, boys. Let's eat this wheat. Good,
Let's
fuck
obtain
him.
this grain.
Oh my
We're gonna
god.
fuck him up. Fuck that ball up.
Connor's really good right now.
You get your ass in front of me, nigger.
Dude, we gotta wait. We lost
No, we
one.
don't. Fuck him.
Hey, I've got feelings too, dude.
Oh, I'm sorry, Dad.
You're grounded.
Nah, dude, we just push in dry as hell.
Dude, let's go.
Is he just like...
We wet. Let's go.
Kill
Yeah,
him!
he's
There was two.
big purple.
There was three.
I mean, that's a lot, depending.
There used to be 6!
Well, now there can be 3, so
Shio's
2 is a
behind.
majority.
I'll show you the majority tonight.
God, I hope so. It's better than a minority, am I right?
No. Not always.
Not always.
Sometimes the minority gets the best sex.
Alright, y'all wanna take space? I'll just,
Ah! Shield me! Shield me! Shield me, daddy!
Oh, you gotta ask for, please.
No.
Oh, sorry, I was not really good at that.
Okay. I'm okay
Good
with
shatter,
this.
dude. Good shatter. Big, dude.
Yo!
Oh, GP left. That Sigma that was standing still.
This was the expected conclusion.
I'm not even sorry. Fuck that guy. Where is she? Oh, dead.
Let's just coming up top.
Right.
Alright. Got you, son.
Do they not know that we have spawned?
Owie! Just one.
No, the mercy's lost my phone.
Sneeze on him.
Oh shit!
You're fine, boy.
It'll take more.
Fuck that, man.
Just what I need. Stay down. Hello.
Oh, you're
I am 16-1 right now. I'm so upset. Oh shit, oh shit, oh, hold
Did
up.
I let you down? Give me that one day.
Hoggle here to my right. Up to my right. Switch on down.
Meteor strike.
Complete.
19-1.
Score.
You had it again.
3
Trash.
to 0.
Yeah,
Switching
I know. It's so
sides.
bad, man. I want to cry. I'm gonna kill myself.
Growing.
Prepare your defenses. Select your hero.
Only through conflict.
But why?
I'm kidding.
Oh, I mean, I'm totally regretting it too, but my stats are about as good as they are on fire too, so.
Incoming in 30 seconds.
Dude, I could be like Overwatch League like level fire, bro.
Dude, me too, dude.
No, don't you dare hit that. Okay.
5, 4, 3.
Alright guys, I'm busy popping balloons, I'm sorry.
Attackers incoming.
Hey, Ash, is your high ground?
Defend objective A.
Okay.
I'll pick you up.
Well,
They're there.
there.
They're there.
I disconnected. Hold up.
Oh no.
Bro.
Yeah, and
It said I disconnected. I was like, the fuck?
Way behind.
Oh, y'all are anti.
running slow, running slow.
I got him. There's Zarya above me on the res. I'm gonna pick him up.
Go, go, go. Oh, no, not yet. 2, 1. Go, 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 go. Fuck. We timed that at all the wrong spots.
You're correct. I was counting down my res. Oh, it's falling back here, dude. Can I get a taxi?
Can I get a suicide?
You don't wish. Thank you, dude.
Fuck. 2 deaths.
Yeah, dude.
I will live. Gone.
I will pick you up.
No, you won't.
Yeah, I did. I actually did.
No, you didn't. You actually did not. Oh shit!
The man of the May? How toxic can you be?
Big couple.
Get out!
Got you,
Someone
homie.
hear me!
I was healing, dude. I'm gonna res it.
I tried so hard.
Dang. Just walk into him. Just walk into him. Just walk into him. Just disregard him. Walk into him. Oh shit, nobody's walking into him with me. I fucked up. I fucked up. I fucked up. Oh!
Right, dude.
Alright, walk to their spawn. Walk to their spawn.
I don't know about that. I don't know about that.
Trust me.
Back up.
Trust me. I have grab.
We should sit in
fucked up.
for grab.
I can still kill them.
I can still kill them.
Be it recently.
They still have it.
Yeah, they did.
We're gonna have to kill him. Grab us.
Back up a little bit, back up a little bit.
I got my.
Nope, not yet.
Nice, you fix.
That was a good nade.
Audio jump.
Holy fuck!
Good. Hey, Anna. Oh, I'm dead. Finish her with this. Alright, y'all don't have any.
I need heals. I need heals.
No, you don't.
Holy
just
fisting.
How many ults did they use right there?
Alright,
All
they just
of
use slam, grab, nano,
Nano.
I like
Shatter.
how that feels.
everything but me.
Alright.
And dragons, right?
This Doom is hiding on high.
Yeah.
And doom damage again. Loop me.
They're waiting for my grab. Yo, use slam. Just use slam.
Me?
Yeah.
Yeah, the render.
Oh, damn. I was trying to get it out of the supports.
I'm resing.
Worth it.
Huge.
Got him. I swear to God, if I don't get that play, I'm gonna kill myself.
You're not gonna.
Hey, go to spawn. Go to their spawn.
No.
Yes.
No.
Probably right over here.
Yes.
They can C9 it with ease.
Play Hunter's corner.
It's not feeding if we win. I saw the pros do it.
Yeah, they're pro.
Yeah.
We are not.
I'm professional.
So are we.
Yeah. See.
Yep, they're trying to
That has
C9.
mindset. Hey, hog left.
Hanzo back here, trying to C9.
Shatter. You're gonna shatter.
I'm not even disappointed
Dragons
in
from
that.
behind.
I did too.
Sorry.
See, this is what happens when you don't go to spawn, boys. We lose.
You push up too far.
What? No. We didn't go to the spawn. That has to be the problem.
Hey, I spawned way back here, so.
I bubbled you? Nani?
Back the fuck off.
Oh no.
Hog behind.
Rising above.
Doom. Never mind, go. Actually, let's go back to point.
Are you doing help?
Yeah, there was like 3 of us.
I was with you.
Big slime.
Oh, that's knowing you.
I did not have bubble.
Oh, I'm dead. Anna's walking back.
Right behind me. Sorry.
I was trying. I didn't have anything.
Fine, boy. It's time. It's no more ults. We got this.
No more ults, because that's a fat grab.
I mean, we got like.
That's a fat grab.
No.
It's fine. It's
But that was a fat grab.
practice your.
Oh, Ryan.
See, now you can.
Ryan. Nah, that wasn't worth it.
I'm gonna pick you up. Hey, Ryan, shield Anna.
That
We
maze.
only have a on
That
first
fucking maze.
No, we don't. We have Anna.
Thank you, Anna.
Yeah.
Right there.
We're going through the back room.
I grabbed. I don't know how many it got, but I grabbed. And they wasted feet. Holy shit, 41 and 6.
I'm asleep
God.
outside.
I'm asleep outside.
Big slam. Wait, no,
Big
that
death.
wasn't ours.
Group up at my
It's fine. We can still hold.
my position. Group up with me.
Alright, yeah. Just survive.
I still have my ult. They used all theirs, right? Pretty much.
Right, go.
What? My ult!
I am dead. I am pissed.
Oh, dude. You tried.
Meteor strike.
You Slam, you got this.
I don't got this.
Go.
Mercy.
The solid.
I got this. I don't got this.
Grab.
I need all the pockets. I don't.
Charge it then.
Ryan, get in here.
I got
He
this back.
shattered me.
Oh.
Oh, dude, that's a good.
I needed like I needed like 18 healers right there to stay alive, and then like 4 bubbles.
It's alright. I'm big enough to be like at least 5.
3. Switching sides.
If you're 5, I needed 32
We either
of you.
Prepare to attack.
We either do a line of
Select your
cocaine
hero.
or I fuck my cousin.
both great options.
y'all wanna
Cousin
speed
has
in?
coronavirus. Saying about it.
Y'all wanna speed in?
I mean,
Let's get some speed.
I don't like speed that much.
No?
Speed doesn't like you.
Oh, yo, dude, Hugh, the chick with the fat ass just snapped me. Hold up.
Wait,
Nice.
I hope there's not a woman in this chat. I feel so bad if there is.
I believe there is.
yeah, one of our healers. I think it's Yana.
No, I think it's
Attack commences in 30 seconds.
What?
I'm sorry. Oh, okay. Good. You didn't hear that.
I was paying
I
attention.
will protect
Good.
the innocent. Hey Torbjorn, check out my new
No, it
suit.
was a Ryan. Fucking guy with the bow. Asia.
Genji?
Yeah. What? I don't know. I haven't played in like 4 months. It's been a long time.
Oh, wait, May.
4, 3,
May
2,
have a
1.
No, but she's Asian.
Commencing.
So it's nonsense.
Capture objective
Alright,
A.
I'm gonna amp it up. I'm gonna amp up.
Amp it up right now.
Go.
Go high guard. Go right. Go right. Go right. Go right. Go right. Go right.
Go.
Why?
Healing.
Doomfist can die. Doomfist dead.
Where are you?
We're on the background! Oh my god!
Yo, Warthog on back.
Focus,
I am standing in the middle of all this.
Focus targets. Ryan, call out targets.
Focus Rissa. Focus Rissa.
More.
Asian guy with the bow. Asian guy with the bow.
Yes, got him.
Ah!
Guy with the fist. The guy I want to fuck me tonight. 47 and 8. Let's go, boys.
Nice.
Play
I don't want to
to
hear
the
about
game.
this ad. It wasn't me. I'm gonna fist fuck my cousin.